Professional hair barber clippers set. Elevate your grooming experience with our professional hair barber clippers set. Featuring a cordless hair clipper, nose hair trimmer, and a triple blade foil head shaver. The T-blade hair trimmer doubles as a versatile beard trimmer for men, catering to hair cutting, beard grooming, sideburns, and precise detailing. The nose trimmer ensures gentle and accurate trimming of nose hair, while the bald head shaver excels at handling dense, short, and thick hair. Sharp T-blade and ultra-thin triple blade crafted with precision. The high-carbon steel blade of our barber clipper set effortlessly removes excess hair, suitable for men, women, and children. These trimmers and razors are perfect for home use or professional barbering, whether you're creating a stylish haircut or maintaining a well-groomed beard. This versatile set meets all your grooming needs. Consider it a thoughtful birthday, Christmas, or Valentine's Day gift for your loved ones. Large capacity battery and smart LCD display. Experience the convenience of a large capacity battery in our hair cutting kit, powered by a high-quality rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The cordless clipper provides 180 minutes of usage after a 2-hour charge. The nose trimmer lasts 150 minutes after 5 hours of charging, and the foil electric shaver offers 90 minutes of use after a 2-hour charge. The smart LCD display keeps you informed about oiling or charging needs. The USB Quick Connect charging port adds further convenience for on-the-go charging. Low noise and powerful motor. Enjoy a powerful motor 100 for the hair clipper and 5W for the razor that ensures a lifetime of superior performance. Operating at a speedy 700 RPM, the clipper's speed and smoothness result in quick and precise cuts on all hair types without pulling, facilitating the creation of various hairstyles with noise levels under 60 decibels. Our hair clipper set keeps noise-related inconveniences at bay. Wireless and for guide combs. Experience the freedom of wireless grooming with our clipper and trimmer set. The package includes for guide combs 1mm to millimeters, 3mm for millimeters to easily meet your hairstyling needs. The lightweight, compact, and portable all-method